Now let's take a look on what a DOM is. A DOM stands for Document Object Model, where is a key concept that bridges web documents with scripting languages, allowing the developer to interactively control and modify web pages content, structure, and styling. So this works in the flow where a browser stores the file and creates the corresponding DOM structure in the memory, and then JavaScript interacts by accessing and manipulating this structure using the document object, where it changes the DOM structure and reflect to the web page in real time. Now, another way of thinking about the DOM and understanding how it works is thinking of it as a tree of nodes like you see on my screen. So this is just a basic diagram of a DOM tree and all its nodes, and everything in this diagram is a type of a node, even line breaks and those comments, which we will see a bit later on. Now the DOM object itself is actually a property of the window object, which is a global top-level object representing a tab in a browser. And this window object has access to such information, height and width of the Windows prompts, and even alerts, but now we are focusing on object and document object, which is what inside of the inner window and the stuffs we want to manipulate. Now, another important thing to note here is that most of these nodes in the diagram have a parent-child sibling relationship. The topmost node are document node. Here is the root node of the DOM tree, which we use to access the DOM and manipulate all of the content. So now, this document node has one child node, which is the HTML element, and the HTML element is a parent node to the head and the body element. And the head and the body element are what we call siblings, since they are on the same level in the DOM tree. Underneath the head element, you see it has one child node, which is the title element and the text hello world. And the text hello world is a child node of the title element. So, and these relationships are similar over the other side, but the body element is the parent of the paragraph and the head one tag. Paragraph and head one tag are also siblings to each other, as the text content inside each of these elements are child nodes. Also, you can see by the paragraph tag we have a class attributes. Now, attributes such as IDs or classes, in this case styles, etc., also considers nodes in the parent, considers nodes in the DOM hierarchy, but they don't actually participate in these parent-child siblings relationships. By understanding this parent-child siblings relationship is crucial to understand by how JavaScript works with HTML. Alright guys, now you know a little bit more about what a DOM is and learn about the DOM tree. The next thing to cover in this tutorial is how to select nodes or elements in DOM tree for manipulating the elements. Alright guys, so now we know a little bit more about what the DOM is and learn about the DOM tree. The next thing to cover in this tutorial is how to select these nodes or elements in DOM tree for manipulation.